Now that we have explored how ecosystems are organized within realms, biomes, and landscapes, it's time to look at what happens when these natural systems are disrupted, when ecosystems and the landscapes they form are degraded through activities like deforestation, pollution, or wetland drainage. They lose their ability to sustain life, support communities, and provide essential services. That's where restoration comes in, rebuilding the health, function, and resilience of ecosystems across scales. Restorations can take many forms, depending on the goals, the extent of damage, and the context. Ecosystem restorations is the broad umbrella covering all efforts to improve ecosystems' health and function. Ecological restoration is more specific, aiming to return ecosystems to a reference condition. Rehabilitation focuses on restoring certain functions, especially in human use areas like farmland or cities. In the next section, you will explore these concepts in more detail and reflect on what kind of restoration efforts might be needed in the landscapes you know.